Hey, let me show you what you can do if you cannot enter for the recovery mode and perform the factory reset of your phone. So the first thing that is the most important, you have to make sure that you are connected with your phone and your PC. So you have to plug this cable into your phone, and in this time you have to also turn on your TV. So it's not like you are just connecting this to your phone and then to your PC, but the PC is turned off. Make sure that phone and the PC are turned on at the same time. So you can actually find it by this information when the phone starts charging. Now, if it is not a problem, you can also try to do this like so. So open the menu power of your phone. Now we have to wait a little bit until the charging information appears here. So first of all, you will get small icon and then big one, and we are gonna go forward. Okay, and now when you get this bar and this information, we have to use power button and the volume with the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So click and hold them, and now hold all the time even after the Samsung logo appears. Take a look. We have to hold it. Now you got Samsung logo, you've got the Galaxy logo, secured by Knox. You are holding those buttons, and now as you can see, we are finally in this Android recovery mode. I hope you find it useful.